2026 KTM 390 Adventure Price, Specs, Features and Full Review. Perfect beginner adventure motorcycle? The KTM 390 Adventure has become one of the most popular lightweight adventure motorcycles worldwide, offering riders a mix of off-road capability, everyday usability, and affordability. For 2026, KTM continues to refine this versatile machine, making it an even stronger choice for riders who want adventure performance in a manageable package. At the heart of the 390 Adventure is a 373cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine. This proven motor produces around 44 horsepower at 9,000 revolutions per minute and 37 Newton-meters of torque at 7,000 revolutions per minute. Thanks to its lightweight design and lively character, the engine delivers strong performance both on paved roads and off-road trails. Fuel injection, a ride-by-wire system, and modern emission compliance ensure smooth throttle response and excellent fuel efficiency, making it practical for both commuting and long-distance riding. Comfort and control are priorities on the 390 Adventure. It features an upright riding position, a tall windscreen for wind protection, and a seat height around 855 millimeters, giving riders a commanding view of the road. Long travel suspension, WP Apex 43 millimeters upside-down forks at the front, and a WP Apex rear monoshock ensures excellent handling on rough terrain. The bike's lightweight steel trellis frame provides agility and stability, whether navigating city traffic or gravel backroads. Technology is a big part of the 390 Adventure's appeal. Riders benefit from a TFT color display, smartphone connectivity with turn-by-turn navigation, and multiple rider aids including cornering ABS, off-road ABS, traction control, and riding modes. These systems allow the bike to adapt to changing conditions, giving new and experienced riders added confidence. The braking system consists of a 320mm front disc with a 4-piston caliper and a 230mm rear disc with a single-piston caliper, both supported by Bosch ABS. With 19-inch front and 17-inch rear wheels wrapped in dual-purpose tires, the 390 Adventure strikes a balance between on-road stability and off-road traction. Practicality is another strength of the KTM 390 Adventure. With a 14.5-liter fuel tank, it offers solid range between fill-ups, especially considering its excellent fuel economy. At just 172 to 177 kilograms wet weight, depending on trim, the bike is light enough to manage off-road while still stable on highways. For 2026, KTM offers updated color schemes and subtle refinements, making the 390 Adventure feel more premium without losing its rugged character. Its mix of affordability, capability, and technology makes it a go-to choice for riders who want a true adventure motorcycle without the bulk or high price tag of larger ADV bikes. In terms of pricing, the 2026 KTM 390 Adventure is expected to start around $7,800 USD in the US market. This positions it as one of the most accessible entry-level adventure bikes, while still packing advanced features found on bigger, more expensive machines. In conclusion, the 2026 KTM 390 Adventure continues to be one of the best lightweight adventure motorcycles on the market. With its lively engine, advanced electronics, off-road-ready suspension, and affordable pricing, it's a perfect fit for new adventure riders and seasoned motorcyclists looking for a fun, nimble machine to explore both pavement and dirt.